Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add USDT to your MetaMask wallet on both Ethereum or Polygon networks in under 2 minutes. First of all, open your MetaMask extension or mobile app and unlock your wallet. Make sure you are connected to right network, either Ethereum or Polygon. Now go to Ethercoin etherscan.io, then search for USDT, then copy the address. Ethereum starts with OXDAC or Polygon. Start with OX, something like that or similar. Go back to MetaMask, go to assets, then click import tokens. Now click custom token, then token contact add, then click add custom token, then import. You will see the token contact address box. Enter the address. MetaMask will autofill token symbol and decimals like this. Then click add custom token. You will now see USDT in your MetaMask wallet balance under the tokens tab. You are ready to send, receive, or swap USDT on the network you selected. And that's it. You have successfully added USDT to MetaMask. Like and subscribe for more crypto wallet tutorials and comment if you want guides for BNB, MATIC or any other token. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.